Hello friends, I am Sunanda Shingane from New English School Sakri. As we all know that we all have started this new academic year 2020 with new and enthusiastic experiments. We started e-learning means online learning. Let's start our first poem of class 9. The title of the poem is Walk a Little Slower. Before starting the poem, see page number first of your textbook. The title is Let's Begin. On this page, four types of activities are given. Those are acrostics, sentences, know your teacher, and priorities. First, we will see acrostics. Read all instructions given in the acrostics column. You can observe that English is written in column form. Observe all carefully. See the first letter of each word. You can observe easily that each word is meaningful. English is written in column form and each letter has created new word. This type of creation is called acrostics. Example, Harshal and Mona. In Harshan, we write the acrostic hurry, awesome, rush, seek, hot, apple and lamb. And in Mona, we write monkey, orange, net, and ant. It is not necessary that you should take these words. Instead of hurry, you can take hen, hat, hot, or any S letter. Instead of awesome, you can write ant, apple, or any other A word. You have to do some activities regularly in this academic year. Two are given here. First one is write any 5 English words every day with their Marathi meaning. And second one is that make a list of 10 English words every day and use the given words in your own sentences. These activities are for the practice of English speaking and writing skill. Before going to the poem, let's see page number 2 of the textbook. You can see some instruction on the left side of the book. The space is called margin space. Now with chit chat, let's begin warming up. Some questions are given in chit chat. Make pair with anyone at home and get answers of the question. Question number first is, are you a talkative person? Question second is, do you like to share your thoughts? Question third is, what would you like to do after 10th? Second activity on page number 2 is My Thoughts. It is also a group activity. You can practice this activity with writing your own answers in notebook. Read the column A, B and C and complete the given lines. Read your own answers loudly. Okay students, in the next part we will see the poem Walk a Little Slower. Thank you.